In this video, I will show you how to install ECORCE on Windows 10 and 11. Now we are going to download the latest version of ECORCE and place it in our ECORCE install folder. To do this, open the ECORCE install folder, open the README file, select this link, copy it, open your favorite internet browser, paste the link and press enter. It will lead you to the cloud of Delphia, where you can find all the versions of ECORCE which are disponible. By left-clicking on a version, you will download it. I recommend you to download the latest version available. In my case, it's this one. Once it's done, copy the version you download, go back to the ECORCE install folder, open it, open the files folder, open the version ECORCE folder and paste the version you download. If you have multiple versions, it will install the latest. You can now go back to the ECORCE install folder. We'll now proceed to the installation of WSL. To do this, select the file name configuration WSL Windows, right click, run in administrator. A little window will open, select Yes. Once it's done, select OK and OK. Now you can search in the Windows bar for Microsoft Store, open the application, in the top bar search for WSL. We want to install the application named Windows Subsystem for Linux with the penguin icon. To do this, select Install. A little window will open. Click Yes. When the download is finished, restart your computer before going through the next step. Now we are going to install Debian and ECORCE. To do this, select the file name Installation Debian and ECORCE Windows, right-click on it, and run in Administrator. A little window will open, select Yes. This window will pop up, select Next, and then Finish. Now we need to enter a username and a password for the Unix system. Press OK. In my case, I will use the username Ben. I enter a password and I retype the same password. Now we need to re-enter our password. Select OK. Now we need to press Y and enter. The installation is now finished. You can click OK. We will see now how to run ECORCE. To do this, search in the Windows bar for Debian. Run the application name Debian and write chmod 755 run ECORCE. Press enter, write /run ECORCE and press enter. Enter your password. ECORCE has now started. ECORCE is now installed on your computer. If you have any problem during the installation, right-click on the file name Uninstall Debian Windows, run in Administrator, a little windows will pop up, click Yes, then OK, and now you can redo the installation of Debian plus ECORCE.